Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about Origin PC Neuron 3500X gaming desktop. So friend, Origin PC is excited to launch the Neuron 3500X, a high performance desktop system featuring a price that is unrivaled in the market, and this new ready to ship system is set to redefine standard in the space of desktop computing system. So friend, the notable features of Neuron 3500X is comes with Intel Core i5 13600K processor with powerful performance and seamless computing for your everyday tasks, and comes with NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4068 GB graphics card. So most graphically demanding games and applications run smoothly, and 32 GB Corsair VENGEANCE DDR5 RAMs help your system handle anything you throw it out, and improving both performance and reliability. And upgrading hardware, the Neuron 3500X is future proof, meaning the system is ready for years of upgrade to keep you the cutting edge of gaming and high performance computing. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.